What's up, loves? In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a peanut butter banana weight gain smoothie. Child, it tastes so good. If you're interested, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Let's get it. As always, let's start with the ingredients. So a lot of people be asking me, girl, what protein powder do you use? I've been using the WHEY protein by Women's Best. Okay, this powder tastes so good, y'all. Like, this protein powder is delicious. I've tried different vegan protein powders and this is what I'm rocking with. Okay, so right now this is the protein powder that I put in all my smoothies when I want to add protein to them, and boom, child, you can get your protein in a delicious way. As you guys can see, this has 112 calories per serving. Next, we are moving right into almond milk. If y'all are not new to my channel, y'all already know how I feel about almond milk. Like, almond milk is where it's at. Stop drinking that dairy milk, for real. It's not where it's at. This has 80 calories per serving, and it also has 50% more calcium. They're making it with 50% more calcium, so just more nutrients that goes into our body, which we definitely need. And yeah, I love Almond Breeze. You can try other almond milk brands, really doesn't matter. Just make sure you guys are staying away from the dairy. One thing I did want to point out though is the fact that it has 1 gram of protein, which is excellent. We love that. Another thing that I want you guys to please pay attention to is the fact that almond milk doesn't expire until like a month or 2 months. So when you buy it, it lasts longer than dairy milk. So if you're like on the edge of switching over to almond milk, that's something to keep in mind. Also, you guys, it has hella sugar. The vanilla version has hella sugar, which we do not like. Y'all see the finger? We don't like that. So even though non-dairy milk is a better option than dairy milk, please pay attention to the sugar, guys. It does have hella sugar. For 1 serving, 13 grams, that's a lot. Let's get into this peanut butter. This peanut butter is a crunchy type peanut butter. It doesn't really matter which one you decide to go with, and it's from Peanut Delight. Super delicious. It was my first time trying this peanut butter and I was not disappointed, honey. Very, very good. It has 180 calories per serving size. The serving size is 2 teaspoons, which is approximately 32 grams. Y'all just need to know the calories, to be honest. And also pay attention to the protein. Okay, I was looking at how much protein do it got in it. Girl, child, it has 7 grams of protein, baby. That is amazing. So peanut butter is always the way to go if you want to gain weight. It's something super easy that you can add to your smoothies, okay, period. And it also has 3 grams of sugar, which is not that bad. And last but not least, let's get into this banana, honey. Y'all probably like, what is that? It is a frozen ripe banana. A little trick that you guys can do is if your banana is ripe or overripening and you're not going to use it right away, just freeze it. This banana was 105 calories. And remember, the riper your banana is, sweetie, the sweeter it tastes in your smoothie. Super delicious, so good. Y'all have to try it. Now we can get into the fun part, which is putting all these ingredients together. I'm going to show you guys what I put first. So first I'm going to put this ripe frozen banana, and I'm just going to take it out the little Ziploc bag that I had it in, break it up into pieces. Just don't put it in there, just break it up, okay? So pay attention to the bottom of the screen because that's where I'm going to add up the calories for you guys. Next, I am putting WHEY protein from Women's Best. This is the vanilla flavor. Y'all need to try it. I promise you, you will like it. And they also have other flavors. So I will be putting 2 scoops of this, which will give me 224 calories. Okay, remember 112 calories is 1 scoop, so 2 scoops is 224. Next, I will be putting almond milk. This measuring cup is half of a cup, so I will be putting 2 half of a cup, which equals 1 cup. Okay, I'll just put 1 cup of almond milk, which would give me 80 calories, y'all. Y'all following me? Because I know it's kind of confusing, but I got the math on the screen for y'all. Okay, period. The last ingredient, can y'all guess? Can y'all guess what it's gonna be? You guessed it, the peanut butter, the delicious peanut butter. And this is 180 calories. Again, pay attention to the bottom of the screen if you're confused on the math. This shake is approximately 589 calories. As you guys know, you can add Ensure Plus, you can add Nutriment, you can add literally whatever you want to make it more calories. I personally just like my shakes to be between 500 and 600 calories, but baby, it's up to you. It's your world, okay? Yeah, so I let this blend up, do its thing for about a minute, and I did it for a minute because I want to make sure everything is smooth. Okay, I want to make sure the protein powder is smooth, the peanut butter, all that. So yeah, about a minute. This is the final product. Just pay attention to how the consistency looks so you guys can know when you make it for yourself. It is so good. I'm so sorry I didn't put it in the glass until afterwards, but it was so aesthetically pleasing. I love you guys so much. Be sure to give me a big old thumbs up and subscribe if you want more videos like this. And baby, let's put on this weight together, period. Bye guys.
Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Yeah, I'm the MVP, most valuable player, That's who I be.